In 2025, the technology landscape is undergoing a seismic transformation, reshaping not only the products and services that define our digital world, but also the very nature of work within the industry. The year has been marked by sweeping layoffs at some of the most prominent tech companies, Microsoft, Google, and IBM among them. These workforce reductions, affecting tens of thousands of employees worldwide, signal a profound shift in the priorities and operational strategies of these global giants. At the heart of this tectonic shift lies the rapid integration of artificial intelligence into the core functions of these companies. AI, once viewed primarily as an innovative tool for product enhancement, has now become a driving force behind organizational strategy and resource allocation. The implications are far-reaching, touching every corner of the tech industry, and the ripple effects are being felt by employees, investors, and consumers alike. Microsoft, a linchpin of the global technology sector, set the tone in May 2025 by announcing the layoff of approximately 6,000 employees, about 3% of its global workforce. These cuts, the company's most significant since 2023, were not the result of financial distress. On the contrary, Microsoft's financial performance has remained robust, with its Azure cloud business posting better-than-expected growth. Instead, the layoffs were a strategic decision aimed at streamlining operations and controlling costs in a climate of economic uncertainty. The focus was on removing layers of management across various departments and geographies, a clear signal that the company is seeking greater agility and efficiency as it navigates the changing technological landscape. IBM's approach reflects a different, yet equally transformative trajectory. In 2025, IBM laid off around 8,000 employees, with the bulk of these reductions concentrated in the human resources department. This move is emblematic of the company's aggressive push to integrate AI into its back-office functions. In a striking example, approximately 200 HR roles were replaced by AI agents capable of handling repetitive administrative tasks. The rationale is clear. Automation can deliver significant cost savings and operational efficiencies. Yet, IBM's strategy goes beyond simple downsizing. The company reports an overall increase in its workforce, redirecting savings from automation into growth areas such as software development, marketing, and sales. This dual approach, reducing headcount in certain functions while investing in others, highlights the evolving nature of work and the new skills in demand in an AI-driven world. Google now, too, has embarked on a period of restructuring, with layoffs reported in its global business organization and other divisions. In May 2025, about 200 employees from the advertising, sales, and partnerships teams were let go as part of broader cost control measures. Google's leadership has been candid about the reasons behind these moves: the need to prioritize AI development and ensure the company remains at the forefront of technological advancement. As with its peers, Google is navigating the delicate balance between reducing expenses and positioning itself for long-term growth in an increasingly automated industry. Taken together, these workforce reductions represent more than a response to immediate economic challenges. They underscore a pivotal moment in the evolution of the tech sector, where efficiency, adaptability, and strategic investment in AI have become paramount. The integration of AI is no longer a distant vision. It is a present reality, driving decisions at the highest levels and fundamentally altering the roles and responsibilities within these organizations. For employees, the impact is both immediate and profound. The loss of a job is always difficult, bringing uncertainty and the need to reassess career trajectories. Yet, within this disruption lies opportunity. As companies automate routine tasks, the demand for new skills, particularly in fields such as AI development, data analysis, cybersecurity, and digital marketing, is rising. Many tech workers are seizing this moment as a chance to upskill, retrain, and pivot into emerging roles that leverage human creativity, critical thinking, and advanced technical expertise. From an industry perspective, the shift towards AI-driven automation is reshaping the global workforce. Jobs that once required large teams of people are now being handled by sophisticated algorithms and intelligent systems. The result is leaner organizations equipped to innovate rapidly and respond to changing market conditions with unprecedented speed. However, this transition also raises important questions about the future of work, the role of human labor, and the responsibilities of companies to support their employees through periods of change. Investors, meanwhile, are closely watching how these strategic decisions play out. The tech sector has long been defined by its ability to adapt and reinvent itself in the face of new challenges. By streamlining operations and investing in AI, companies like Microsoft, Google, and IBM are betting that they can maintain their competitive edge and unlock new sources of growth. Early indications suggest that the market is responding favorably, with strong financial performance and sustained investor confidence. For consumers, the integration of AI promises a new era of products and services that are smarter, faster, and more personalized than ever before. From intelligent virtual assistants to automated customer support and advanced analytics, the benefits of AI are becoming increasingly visible in everyday life. Yet, as technology evolves, so too must our understanding of its broader social and economic implications. In the final analysis, the layoffs of 2025 are not simply a story of job losses. They are a reflection of the profound transformation underway in the technology sector. As companies navigate the complexities of AI integration, they are redefining what it means to work, compete, and innovate in the digital age. The road ahead will not be without challenges, but it is also filled with the promise of new opportunities, both for individuals willing to adapt and for organizations prepared to lead. The tech industry has always been a bellwether for change, setting the pace for innovation and shaping the future of work. In 2025, as AI takes center stage, the industry is once again at a crossroads, one that will define not only the next chapter of technology, but also the future of employment, creativity, and human potential. The eyes of the world are watching, and the decisions made today will echo for years to come.